Hey, what's going on everybody? Dave back again, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at Ranka from Macross. So these are kind of cool. They were sent over for me to take a look at and do a build up for you guys and then pass them on to their owner. Thank you Dead to Death for that. These are in 1/20th scale and I have about 4 or 5 of them, so we're going to knock these out pretty quick. But without further ado, let's jump down the table, take a look at what comes in the box. All right, so here we are with the box, and if you guys watch my live, I kind of gave a sneak peek at these. Some of these boxes are really cool. They have this almost like rubberized texture to them. It's really interesting just to run your hands across. I am not an AMSR type person or anything like that, but yeah, I just kind of find this really interesting. So this is the MF08 Ranka 1/20th scale minimum factory Macross frontier figure. Taking a look at the backside here, you have some information. It's all in Japanese except for a few keywords here and there. Taking a look over here, this is what it's going to look like just built out of the package, and this is what it can look like all painted up. Opening it up, you have a little cardboard slide out. You get 1 baggie, 2 baggies, 3 baggies, 4 baggies, 5 baggies, 6 baggies, 7 baggies, some water slide decals, and an instruction booklet. Alright, as stated in the beginning, and I'm going to leave them in the baggies, but you do get a water slide sheet here. You have multiple eyes, just in case you screw any up. A lot of little details there on here, little tattoos and markings on that. Taking a look at the instruction manual. Now, this is also, I'm kind of sad that I don't get to keep this. But this is also a fold open poster, which is actually kind of cool. But you do get the instruction sheet, you get all the runner layout over here, you get all the parts starting to build up, and this is not going to be a difficult kit. And what I think I'm actually going to end up doing is once I do all these unboxings, then I'm going to just build them up and do a small showcase. You have construction, and that I've noticed the runners don't have any like lettering, so but really simple. You have just the build up on here. On this sheet over here you have where the decals end up going, and I'm pretty sure that this is the painted version because it doesn't look like the plastic version. Next up we have the runners, and a lot of these runners, they're kind of big, but they only have like 2 or 3 pieces on here. So on this runner, it is in a almost a translucency burgundy red. And so you've got this piece, you've got this piece, and a bow right there. On this runner right here, kind of hard to see, but it's in a pinkish clear. So this is going to be dress pieces. This runner right here is another runner of dress pieces. And again, this is going to be in that pinkish clear. This runner right here is in a deep navy blue, and you've got the torso over here. You've got the shoes. You've got, I'm not sure what these pieces are over here. You've got some hands. You've got a hand over here, and you've got the base. This runner is in a kind of a muted lime green, and you've got hair pieces. This runner right here, this is going to be your flesh color. So you've got the face, you've got the arms, legs, the pantsu section, and the chest. And in this one right here, you have more layers of the dress, just some detail parts, and looks like the stockings on here. And these are in a, I want to call it kind of like a cream beige color. So in this one, you get 7 runners, 1 decal sheet, 1 instruction manual, and poster. And I don't remember what the cost of this was, but I do know that was picked up over at Hobby Link Japan. If I can find a link, I will post it down below, but that's where this ended up being picked up. If you like this video and you want to see more stuff like this and you want to see these built up, definitely hit that like, hit the subscribe if you haven't already. And as usual, I will see you guys all in the next video. Peace.